Hey y'all, come on in. We are in Bellagio in Lake Como, Italy. It is the off season because we are here in March, but that means we got the whole restaurant to ourselves. When you're here, you should come to Nando. It was amazing. We're making this part of the video after the fact, after we already ate, but it was so amazing. If you're vegetarian, the cabbage and potato dish that I had.
With the meat.
Oh! It was so wonderful. You should totally come. It was the owner. Grazie.
Ciao.
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 My daughter got the bolognese. Looks amazing. Okay, I got their traditional dish here. It has buckwheat pasta, casera cheese, garlic, cabbage, potatoes, butter, and sage. It's like the plate. Okay, let's give it a try. Ooh, cheesy. It said cabbage, but it looks like broccoli to me. That's really good. That's really good. Try the potato. Oh, it's so good. I love vegetables. It's great. With like a cream sauce. It's wonderful. How much cheese is in this? So cheesy.